All right, let's make some Smokey Honey Habanero Pig Shots. All right, so I went ahead and prepared most of these up. And the first thing that I did is I got some skinless cheddar sausage. And then I go ahead and I take some bacon, and I wrap it around it. Then I go ahead and I put a toothpick right through the sausage and bacon to hold it all together, get that cup formed up. Then I go ahead and I pinch off some cream cheese. Set it inside a little cup. The next thing I'm gonna do is get some pickled jalapenos, and I'm gonna put one right on top of that. The last thing I'm gonna do before getting on the smoker is take Spiceology's Smoky Honey Habanero seasoning and get these seasoned up. Now we just gotta get these on the smoker and get it fired up. All right, to maximize smoke flavor, I went ahead and got the meat on the cooker. I'm gonna go ahead and set our temp to 300. Let's get to smoking. All right, after you have let them cool off a little bit, go ahead and pull that toothpick out and enjoy a bite of that pork shot. Man, that is crazy good.